Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Electrick, your one-stop destination for learning electrical engineering concepts easily. In today's video, we are covering something super essential for both your exams and interviews, the parts of a transformer. And don't worry, we'll break it down step by step so you can confidently explain it in your next interview or ace that exam. Also, be sure to check my video on what is a transformer first so that you get a basic understanding on the concepts and working of a transformer clearly. Okay then, without further interruptions, let's start by understanding the basic parts of a transformer. Here's an image of a typical transformer and I'll explain what each part does in the simplest way possible. Let's start with the core. This is the backbone of the transformer. It's made of laminated steel and provides a path for the magnetic flux. Think of it as the highway for the transformer's magnetic field. Now the windings. There are two types of windings, the primary and the secondary. These are copper or aluminium wires wound around the core. They are responsible for transferring energy from one circuit to another through electromagnetic induction. Next is insulation. This is essential for preventing short circuits between windings. It keeps the system safe and efficient. And then we have the bushings. Bushings are the points where the windings connect to the outside world. They ensure the electrical connection stays insulated and protected. Ever wondered how transformers adjust voltage? That's thanks to the tap changer. It allows small adjustments in the number of windings to regulate the output voltage. And the terminals are where the transformer connects to external circuits. Think of them as the transformer's entry and exit points for current. The heart of the transformer is the main tank. It houses the transformer core and windings and is filled with transformer oil. This oil serves two main purposes, cooling the transformer and providing insulation. Have you ever noticed the fins on a transformer? That's the radiator. Its job is to dissipate the heat generated during operation. Think of it like the cooling system of a car, keeping everything at the right temperature. The oil conservator, on the other hand, stores extra transformer oil. It ensures the oil level stays consistent when it expands or contracts due to temperature changes. Next, the breather. This component prevents moisture from entering the transformer. It uses silica gel to keep the oil clean and dry, ensuring long transformer life. Now let's talk safety. The Buchholz relay is a protective device that detects internal faults in the transformer. If something goes wrong, it triggers an alarm or shuts the system down. And the explosion vent is exactly what it sounds. It releases pressure safely in case of emergencies to prevent damage. And don't forget the oil gauge and thermometer. These help monitor the oil level and temperature, ensuring the transformer operates smoothly. And there you have it. The key parts of a transformer explained in the simplest way possible. Whether you are preparing for an interview or just starting your electrical engineering journey, understanding these components is crucial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your fellow engineers. Let's keep learning and growing together. See you in the next video.